Can we just drop this out of here?
If you want it to bounce and hit mine and Denise's truck, then yeah.
Go out there and make sure it won't hit him.
No, that's not. You're gonna be able to stop it. 70-pound tire bouncing at him.
It's not 70 pounds, it's like 2. I'm Kyler Grover, and I'm Hayden Grover.
And I'm Dad Grover. This is day number 5 of the Father-Son's Truck Build. All right, the goals for today. We're going to get this engine ready to take to our engine builder, Thunder Racing Engines. Bill Schultz down there is going to hopefully do a very child-friendly non-race engine, which is not normally what he does, but after we get that all ready, then we're gonna go to the bed of the truck, we're gonna get that toolbox out, along with the other junk that's back there. Hayden's not some of the junk that's back there. And then we're going to have these gentlemen here who are currently clean, climb underneath the truck with wire brushes and clean all the grime and dirt and all that crap off the frame rails and the underbody so that we can get it ready for a durable undercoating. So, are you guys ready to get after it?
Yes!
Yay, let's go. All right guys, so to get this thing ready to go to Bill, we need to pull these motor mounts off. You can see there's 2 bolts per mount. We'll need to get those out of there. We're gonna see the plate here that this oil filter mounts to. We're gonna need to unhook that, a couple bolts there. And then this pulley on the front, we're gonna get that off. And once all that stuff's off, we're going to put the oil pan back on, and we're going to use the oil pan bolts that we bagged and tagged and we put neatly in our file organizer, so that should be super easy. And for those of you watching, if you're interested in these hats, they are available on our website, www.neverdoneusa.com. You don't have to wear yours to get dirty. You can wear yours to go out on the town if you want. So, without further ado, let's get after this. You guys ready to start unbolting some stuff?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, have you guys ever heard of sludge? That is what is called engine sludge. You know what causes it? Not changing your oil frequently enough. So, if you'd like to have your engine full of that junk, don't change your oil. If you'd like to have it operating properly and not full of sludge, then change your oil at regular intervals.
5 volts, clutch brake thing. Oil pan bolt.
All right, it is time for another quick tip. Let's say you find yourself in a position where you have sludge all over your hands that you found in an oil pan and it's time to get it cleaned up. But you're out in the garage and you don't have running water out here and Mom will kill you if you go inside. So what do? We get an orange pumice cleaner. You can find these at the parts stores and you can actually find them at general grocery stores and hardware stores sometimes and stuff. There's several different brands, but what they are is they're a waterless cleaner. They smell like orange. They have like citric acid in them and stuff, and then they have a pumice in them so that they've got a little bit of a grit so that you can clean your hands without the need for water. So you squirt a little bit in your hand like that, and you scrub it. Kyler already has some on his hands so you can see how filthy they were. Paper towel, get you cleaned up pretty good. My work is never done. Okay, I can see that you guys are having some issues with motivation. So what we're going to do, these guys have been cleaning this frame off. They're trying to get all this rust and grime and all this kind of crap off of there. So to help motivate you guys, I'm going to show you what it is that you're working toward. So we're going to go ahead and spray a little bit of this so you can compare the two and see the difference. Sound good?
Yep.
How about you, Hayden? You sleeping?
No.
Doesn't sound good or you're not sleeping?
Not
Okay, so we're just gonna put a dust coat, nice light coat like that on it at first so it can stick. We'll do the inside. Okay, the back up, don't be breathing the winds that are blowing towards you. Okay, we'll give that a couple minutes and then we'll hit it with another coat. What do you guys think? See a difference?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Do you see what it is that we're going for now?
Yeah.
Do you see why it's important that we get all that rust off so we can make it beautiful like that?
No.
No?
Yes, I do. Nice trick, Daddy.
All right, we are here finally at the end of day number 5. This has been a very long day that doesn't look like we did much, but we've been working. We successfully got the engine ready to go to Thunder Racing Engines. We're gonna take it down there in the morning. It's sitting over here. And we got the toolbox pulled out of the bed. We also had a spare tire back there and a grill that we got out of there. We got those put out of the way. And then these guys have spent a ton of time sanding on these frame rails, and they've been underneath the truck. We dropped the rear drive shaft in preparation for taking the transmission out on another video. These guys have been grinding away. They've been getting these things sanded, and as kind of a motivator, I went ahead and painted, let me get out of the way here for you. I went ahead and painted the front of it so that they could see what it's gonna look like when it's finished and get a little bit motivated, a little bit excited, and that way we can keep on rocking and rolling. So this is gonna be the end of day number 5. I'd like to tell you guys thank you very much for following along with us this far, and hopefully you'll enjoy it enough that you'll continue to follow us in the future videos. Feel free to comment below if you've got anything to say, and like the video and share it if you'd like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And in the meantime, we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.
Something you ain't seen before. Got a flame job right on line, right on the floor. Got a built 460 and it's supercharged. 12 inches of lift, large and in charge. Keep my cowboy hat tilted to the side. Country thug giving him a hell of a ride. Now you see me fly by, got the